Good morning, children. So let us continue with the class. Yesterday we were discussing chapter 9, correct? Communication. Are we done with the chapter explanation? Let me see. No, we have finished up to page number 65. That's a newspaper and magazine. We are left with few more topics, right? Okay, so we'll finish up the explanation by this period, and even the notes to you. I'll be sharing the notes, all the exercises, exercise A, B, C, true or false, match the column, everything after the completion of explanation of the chapter. All right. Okay. So the next topic, radio. Some of the mass media we were discussing, and first, you can say this what do you call means of mass communication was newspaper or magazines, or you can call it as this what do you call the journals, right? So let us see what is this radio. How was it used? As many of you may have not seen radio, as you people are quite young, but I have experienced this the use of radio, or what was it used for, the purpose and all. So it was radio that revolutionized mass communication. News, educational programs, and music could be heard and enjoyed by all. People came closer, and a sense of awareness was created about what was going on all over the world by radio broadcast. In fact, radio also had some some not sorry, some advantages, especially for people living in remote areas or traveling to remote areas. They can carry this along with them. It was small, handy, and at the same time, people those who are not literate, okay, those who cannot read and write well, for them also it served as a very useful means, as because even though you cannot read and write, but you can listen, right? You can listen to it, you can understand, you can listen to the voice. And also, not only that, news, or what do you call, there were also various other means of talks which was being telecast in radio, or you can say which was which people enjoyed through radio, was like some at times music, and even some educational program along with news and all. So radio, you can say, in a sense, it brought the people closer, okay. Closer means they were aware, they got a sense of awareness, and that about what was going on all over the world. How? Through the radio broadcast. Next means of mass media or mass communication was cinema. Cinema has proved to be a boon for the people in the field of entertainment. It has influenced the life of countless people. Social themes presented through cinema have a great impact on people than the radio. The first film was shown on the screen in the year 1895. Underline. The first film was shown in the screen in the year 1895. International film festivals are held to share good films from different countries. Thus, people come to understand the lifestyle, values, and the problems of other people. Yes, movies, right? Films. They entertain us. But along with the entertainment, it also affects our lifestyle. Many a times you might have seen, or when you come across various videos of some of the actresses, be it a music video or a dance video, you also get to learn various things, right? And at the same time, like the lifestyle or what is happening through movie, through cinemas, we also get to know, we also get to get the kind of the social happenings that is going on in our society, as because those are the things which are projected in a film. And so that people across the world, they come to know about all these things. There is a festival called International Film Festival. This festival, they share the good films from the different countries, so that people understand the lifestyle, the values, and also the problems of the people living in different societies in different parts of the world. So, in one way, you can say cinema, they also serve as a mass communication. Next, we have television. It is the television with audio and with audio visual capacity that remains the most popular and influential means of communication. We can see the programs of music, dance, news, sports, movies, and many more in the comfort of our own drawing room without going out to the cinema hall. The television was invented by John Logie Baird in the year 1926. Underline the year and the name, who invented the television and when. And it was because of him that the whole world got accessible to television. They were able to make use of television. A live telecast of an event like a conference, cricket match, or a variety of other programs can be viewed by the people even as it is happening, making it more interesting. So yes, like radio is mainly for audio. It's not mainly, it is only used as a, it serves our audio purposes, not the visual. And if you talk about newspaper, magazines, and all, for that again, only person, those who are literate, those who know how to read and write, it fulfills their purposes. But when it comes to television, it has got audio visual capacity both, and therefore it is the most popular among the means of communication, and even when it comes to influencing the lifestyle of the people. We can watch various things in television, starting from news, music, dance, movies, and many more. Likewise, right? Even sports, your favorite programs, and all. So, not only that, even the live telecast. Sorry, even the live telecast of various programs like conference, cricket match, or various other programs. Those were also made accessible, or those were also made available to the people the moment as it was happening, which makes things more interesting. Next, we have internet. In general sense, an internet is a computer network that connects several other networks. The art of connecting network in this way is called internetworking. Underline. What do you mean by internetworking? So basically, network connecting other network. Okay, in simple language. Now, internet has become the most popular means of communication in recent days. Social media, blogs, websites, etc. are some of the important mass communication tools of internet. In fact, if I need to give you the best example, the mode in which you're able to access this class right now, or the explanation of this chapter, is just because of the internet. Had internet not been there, you've been sitting at home at your place, I've been at my home, okay, it wouldn't have been possible for you to access this class, correct? So basically, internet made life much more easier, you can say that. And what is internet? It is actually a computer network that connects several other networks, right? Next, we have Kindle. Some of you may know about it. It's basically an electronic device which is used for downloading or even storing and reading electronic books. Okay, electronic books are also called e-books. Kindle is available in there's a e-commerce website called Amazon. You can find out there. It was developed by a company called Lab 126, which is a subsidiary of Amazon.com. Yeah, it's written there. The Kindle has instant wireless access to Amazon.com and has a huge number of ebooks, over 115,000, and it's growing. You can read newspapers, subscribe to magazines and blogs, and even play audio files such as MP3 or audiobook. So, in simple term, Kindle and ebook. Okay, but again, it also takes the help of internet. So there you will find not only books, you can also listen to music. There are audio files, at the same time newspapers about the happenings. You can update yourself. There are magazines, there are various blogs. Next, we have the communication satellites. Satellites are sent into outer space by rockets. They revolve around the earth. They pick up signals from one Earth station and transmit them around the world. Satellite communication has brought people closer. Incidents happening anywhere in the world are no longer isolated. They can be viewed by the people all over the world. Thus, mass communication, especially through satellite, is fast working towards the creation of one world. Communication satellite have made it possible to connect people across continent on the phone, internet, TV, etc. All these means of communication are very useful to us and they must be used for the benefit of mankind. So, in simple terminology, if I define you communication satellite, okay, it is because of the communication satellite that if we talk about the television, we talk about internet, we talk about this what you call Kindle and all, okay, it's all because of the communication satellite that these things are possible, or we are able to connect with the people across different parts of the world, or through phone, through internet and all. In fact, communication satellite has brought people closer to one another. Nowadays, if an incident occurs in any part of the world, it is no more. It no more remains, like isolated or unheard, or people. It's not that people are unaware about it's happening. It varies, within no time, people can view about it, no matter in whichever part of the world it takes place. And how does it happen? Because of this so-called communication satellite. So basically communication satellite, it's a kind of they're creating a world where we all become closer to one another. So with this we come to the end of this chapter. There are some summing up the chapter, there are some key points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points at the end of the chapter. Number one, in olden times, people used horses, pigeon, and signals to send and receive messages. Number two, communication satellite have made it possible to connect people across continent on phone, internet, TV, etc. Number three, means of communication that address a large and wide audience are called mass communication. Next, communication satellite pick up the signal and transmit them around the world. Printed matter can serve as a means of communication for literate people only. Cinema, television, and radio are all means of communication to reach out to the masses. Right? With this, we come to the end of this chapter. When the exercises, I'll be sharing it to you, okay, in a PDF format through Campus Care. So just keep scrolling your Campus Care. It's not that throughout the day you need to keep checking. In a day, if you just see twice, that's more than enough for you. Once in the morning, once in the evening. But make sure that at least you check twice, so that you also get updated about the other information which is sent from the school. Okay, then go through the text. See you all in the next class. God bless you all.